If you're in Anne Arundel County, this is your July update. This is Grant, Weston, and Jim Bim here with Winning Edge Real Estate. And hang around to the end and you'll see who the big winner is in Anne Arundel County. So Grant, what's going on?
Yeah, so great question, Dad. So right now, Anne Arundel County across the board, June 2026, we've seen inventory increase from 984 homes up to 1,207 properties for sale on the market. So that's a 22.7% increase year over year, which is a big increase. Pending sales have climbed from 785 to 922 properties.
That's awesome.
Pending, so that's a 17.5% increase, which is great movement. And then closed transactions have increased from 760 properties to 875. So that's a 15.1% increase in closings. And then to end it all off, median sales prices increased from 435,000 to 460,000 in Anne Arundel County, and that's a 5.7% increase in the median sales price.
Rocking and rolling.
And that's fantastic. So for the folks that stayed around to the end, Grant, who's the big winner for this month?
Great question. So the big winner for June 2026 compared to June 2025 is Severna Park, 21146 for residential sales. And then for waterfront, if you want to be specific, sales, Pasadena's the big time winner when it comes to waterfront. So if you're in those areas, now's might be a perfect time. So
hey, I love it. Remember, this is Winning Edge, and it's Grant, Weston, and Jim Bim. If you need help selling your property in Anne Arundel County, we're here to make sure that you have a winning day. Talk to you soon.